Good afternoon. Can you hear me? Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman and members. Amy Jenkins here on behalf of the California Cannabis Operators Association in respectful opposition. We represent hundreds of licensed operators across the supply chain from farmers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. We share the author's commitment to environmental safety and consumer protection, and yet banning integrated cannabis vaporizer devices will not achieve those goals. It will only deepen an already growing problem, the illicit market. Patients depend on integrated cannabis vaporizers that are safe, accessible, and long-lasting. These devices are especially important for medical patients managing chronic pain or mobility impairments, people for whom connecting rechargeable cartridges may be difficult or impossible. I also want to note that the characteristic of single-use or non-reusable is misleading. A half a gram device delivers 150 doses, and a full gram delivers more than 300. These are used over weeks and months and not discarded after one session. Under California's strict product safety laws, they are also not refillable, and this is to adhere to our rigorous testing protocols and protect against contamination. California's legal industry is among the most regulated in the world. In contrast, the illicit market faces none of these requirements, and this bill will only push consumers back to illegal products. The public health risks are real. The Centers for Disease Control linked the 2019 EVALI outbreak to illicit market vapes, not legal vapes, and removing compliant tested products from legal shelves will not protect consumers. I would also note that this bill, we believe, is premature. There was another Rivas bill, AB 1894, that took effect on July 1st of last year that requires legal cannabis operators to provide proper disposal education and treat these products as hazardous waste. So if we adhere to this ban as proposed in the bill, you are eliminating the only consumer education and awareness program that we offer. And again, we will still have a thriving illicit market for these products. So for all these reasons, we are in respectful opposition to this bill and urge your no vote today. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Chair and members. My name is Alessandra Magnasco, and I'm here on behalf of the California Fuels and Convenience Alliance, which represents a majority of California's 12,000 gas stations and convenience stores. We must respectfully oppose AB 762. We absolutely understand and respect the intent behind this bill to reduce environmental harm, but the practical effect will be to push consumers towards unregulated illicit markets, creating greater risks to public health and safety. We've seen this play out before. When flavored tobacco products were banned in California, demand didn't disappear. It just moved to the illicit market. The same will happen here. Disposable vapor devices with embedded batteries are still in high demand. If licensed retailers can't sell them, consumers will turn to online sources, street vendors, and other unregulated channels. And that's dangerous. Products sold in the illicit market aren't subject to California's strict safety standards, age verification, or quality controls. That puts young people and everyday consumers at real risk, from harmful ingredients to faulty batteries. At the same time, the state loses out on millions in tax revenue from legal sales, funds that support public health programs as a priority, while spending more on enforcement to try and chase down bad actors. We urge you not to repeat the mistakes of the past. AB 762 will hurt compliant, responsible retailers and empower illegal sellers. Let's work together on smarter solutions that address environmental goals without compromising consumer safety or state and local revenue. Thank you, and I respectfully urge your no vote.
Do we have any remaining members of the public who wish to indicate their opposition to this measure?
Good afternoon, Chair and committee members. Anthony Butler-Torres on behalf of the California Hispanic Chambers of Commerce in opposition. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Sarah Arsenault on behalf of the California Cannabis Industry Association in respectful opposition.
Horacio Gonzalez on behalf of California's Business Roundtable, opposed.
Keelan Fong representing the Cal Asian Chamber in opposition. Thank you.